How to add a link to TikTok bio without business account. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to add a link to your TikTok bio without business account. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the TikTok app on my phone. As you can see, my account is a personal account and not a business account. I can switch to a business account, but I will not do that. So when I'm on my TikTok account, then I need to click where it says Edit Profile. Scroll down just a little until you see where it says Website. In here you can write the link to the website that you want to promote on your TikTok. I'm just going to paste my YouTube channel link to demonstrate. After I've done that, I need to click where it says Save. Now, when I go back into my profile, you can see there's now a clickable link on my account. If you don't have the website option on your TikTok, then that might be because you have less than 1,000 followers on your TikTok account. That seems to be the requirement to get this option right now. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.